Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Levoit air purifier. As you can see, I just have this constantly running in the corner, and I have it running on sleep mode, which is the quietest mode. It's just constantly make sure that the air is nice and clean. But you can also run it on mode 1, a little bit louder, mode 2, mode 3. This filter lasts for a very long time. Make sure to vacuum it out semi-regularly. And it's got a lock right there. This thing will light up when it's time to change the filter. You can do this to turn off all the lights. This is very important if you have this in a bedroom and you want to get quality sleep. You want all the lights off there. You can also set timers. I've never actually done that, but if you only want to clean out for a certain amount of time, you want it to turn off automatically, you can do that as well. So overall, the controls are very easy. You got nice airflow coming out of here, and the air gets sucked in through here. It looks very elegant as well. I have had no complaints with that regard. And for the price, you really can't beat it. You want to make sure you always have clean air, and this thing will ensure that you do have that. So thanks for watching. Highly recommend.